Today, the city of Indianapolis received an unprecedented $12 million to improve access to housing. It comes from the Department of Housing and Urban Development.
Tonight, our Marion County reporter Lauren Kostick tells us why the city is getting this money and who it's going to.
Construction is happening for the new headquarters for the Damien Center, and that means their old building will be transformed into a housing hub, something leaders say is needed in this community. The Near East Side Center is known for helping people affected by HIV, but it's also a key player in finding people a home.
We'll directly work to bring people off of the streets and out of homelessness into stability.
To do that, the Damien Center needs money. That's where the federal Continuum of Care program comes in. Every year, the program awards millions of dollars to cities to reduce the number of people who are unhoused. This year, Indy received $11.9 million. That's 20% more than last year.
Put simply, our partnership here in Indianapolis is working.
In 2023, the city saw an 8% drop in people experiencing homelessness after hitting a peak during the pandemic. The Coalition for Homelessness Intervention and Prevention believes this money is helping.
So it is a testament, the fact that we continue to see increased funding, that we are on the right path here in Indianapolis, and we've got to continue that.
But the biggest challenge continues to be Indy's housing supply.
Because what this funding helps do is it brings more rental assistance to the table, but we've got to find the units in the market, as well as continuing to build more units.
The new federal dollars will help fund projects at 15 organizations and help nearly 3,000 people.
And what we get to do is we got to help them along that journey, and that's the most amazing thing.
In Indianapolis, Lauren Kostick, 13 News.
The city said plans are still underway right now for a first-of-its-kind low-barrier shelter to help the unhoused here in our city. This is a shelter that's open 24/7 and doesn't have as many restrictions, so it's basically lowering barriers to get in. The goal is to start construction on the southeast side soon.